Determine the average value of away GF for the first 8 teams and save this value to the variable. So same thing, we are going to find the average value for the display the average value for the away GF for the first 8 teams. So AV by mean of EPL dot away F. For the first 8 teams only they are asking. So not for the entire team, for the first 8 teams. So you have to extract the first 8 teams and then you have to see how they have given away GF of 1 to 8. The first 8 teams you will find for the away GF value, the first 8 teams I'm using the from the EPL and then I'm finding the average. Yes. Next task, find the minimum value in the variable for the 11 rows to the end and save this to a scalar. So same like average, you have the minimum value, you have the command called min. So we'll be using the min command for finding out the value. For rows 11 to end, so 11 to end, I'm going to find away GF and I'm going to find the minimum. It's going to be straightforward. Only thing you should know what commands you have to use for minimum and average. Okay. We'll go to the next section. We have a quiz question here. Which of the following commands will change the lysocyticity value in away wins to 10? So if I want to update this value to 10, what command I should use? Say me the answer. What command if I change, I can update this value from 11 to 10. Please say me the answer in the chat box. I want to update this 11 to 10. So what command I can use? First row, away wins will be 10. So EPL of 1, away wins equal 10. If we give this, will the answer be correct? We'll go with option 2. I'll go with option 2 because we are running out of time. No, option 2 is wrong. Option 1, wrong. Option 3, option 4. Simple, away wins like the first element is 10, right? So without complicating, I'm giving EPL or away wins of 1 equal to 10. 1 means it corresponds to the first row. Simple, right? So creating new variables, that's the next topic we have. We are going to create a new array and we are going to do that, okay? That is what we are going to have. And then we have last topic, exporting tables. So create an array named stored wins which contains the sum of home wins and away wins in EPL. Stored wins equal to EPL dot home wins plus EPL dot away wins. Then add a variable stored wins to EPL that contains the values in stored wins. So I'm going to add this into the EPL. I'm going to add this stored wins value to the EPL so that your table will have an extra command. See here EPL or total wins equal to total wins. I'm going to add this command extra. Now you see your EPL table will have one more thing called as stored wins. So the EPL will have one more thing called as stored